So there's a little bit of a problem here. If I've entered my passcode, I hit pound to unlock, then if I open it, if I don't turn this back fast enough and hard enough, it doesn't always lock. So I can continue to do this until I turn it back hard, at which point it locks. So you have to be pretty aware that you have to force this to lock. You could turn it to the left and not lock the safe and walk away on accident.
All right, here we have a 1 cubic foot Amazon Basics safe. We're going to put the Bic pen test to use here because a lot of folks have posted videos or reviews that they can slide a Bic pen without the ink cartridge over the locking mechanism, opening the safe, basically rendering it useless. So here I have a Bic pen. I've taken the ink cartridge out. We're going to put it to the test and see if it works on this 1 cubic foot Amazon Basics safe. So we pop that little plastic cover off. We're going to put the Bic pen over the locking mechanism here. See if we can get this open. So there it is, snug over the locking mechanism. Does not work. Wiggle this around a little bit. At least on this safe, the Bic pen test is a failure.
So here's the safe. A lot of people saying you can open with a ballpoint pen. Let's take a look at this. It's metal. There is no way to shove a pen in there. Yeah, to me that is probably a botched mechanism and some sort of model that is similar to this. But mine is not hackable with a ballpoint pen.
Hey folks, so this one is from Amazon Basics, and this is the one which used to come, I believe, with a different key that was basically people were able to open with the pen. So I just want to update it. I think they have upgraded it, so it's a different key now. I don't think you can open it with pen anymore because it has this key, right? You know, it's a different shape. And I tried, don't want to damage it, but I wasn't able to open with the pen. Alright, it's working, it's perfectly fine. I really like it. Alright, thanks guys, bye bye.
Hi, this is a quick overview of the Amazon Basics Home Safe. This thing is a lot lighter than I thought it would be, but it's also I was kind of glad because what it relies on is the security system, the code that you punch in, and also that it gives you some bolts to use to press in. Now this is the where you open the take away that thing and you have your keys to use in that lock, and that's just a little cover for it. You're going to need to open it at first to program it. The programming is, it was pretty straightforward. The directions are very easy. And keep in mind that you're going to need to use 2 hands to open it with the key. So put your camera down and do it to get it open so you can program it. Now, once you do get it open, and it's really actually easy, you have to think about things you want to program it, or the kind of code you want to use. It can take up to 3 to 8 digits. It's pretty easy. That's foam in there, and there's also some bolts in there that kind of fell out during shipping. You got to look those up. They're kind of a reverse anchor bolt. They're weird, but they're effective, but no instructions tell you how to use them, so do look those up. You can decide to put this safe in the wall or on the floor. You will install the batteries. You'll get a little a little tone letting you know you did it right, and then it's going to ask you to put the lid on, press the reset button, and pick a code that you want to use. Now, it was very responsive. You won't need your keys once you get this set up, unless of course you let the batteries die, and you're going to want to know where those keys are. So the directions are very explicit. They tell you exactly how to do it. Not a big deal. So let's just take a look real quick at this is the open door. I'm going to shut it. I got the program in there the way I wanted to, and I wanted you to make sure you saw those bolts. Those are those weird bolts. Okay, so now look, it's not going to open. I've put that thing in there to cover the keyhole, so it doesn't look like there's a key. Yes, it's an Amazon Basics safe, which is kind of cool. So go on and put your password in, but notice this. It will not work unless you hit the pound key after. So you have to put in the code and then pound, and there you go. Okay, so that's just easy peasy. Use it for your favorite valuables. I guess I'll put my coffee beans in here. That's about all I got. You know what else to put in there? Passwords. Put passwords and books that you that are a little private to you. Deter anybody taking them. Okay, I hope that helps.
வணக்கம், தமிழில் சொல்கிறேன். அமேசான் பேசிக்ஸில் உள்ள சேஃப் லாக்கர் பற்றி சொல்கிறேன். இதோட விலை வந்து 7,999 ரூபா, அப்ராக்சிமேட்டாக 8,000 வச்சுங்களேன். ரொம்ப நல்லாயிருக்கு, ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரென்த்தாகவும் இருக்குது, ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காகவும் இருக்குது. திக்னஸ் பாருங்கள், உங்களுக்கு இந்த அளவுக்கு திக்னஸ் இருக்குது. லாக்லாம் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங்காகவே இருக்குது. ஒரு மிடில் கிளாஸுக்கு தேவையான ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் தான் அது. நல்லா ஜுவல்ஸ் வச்சுக்கலாம், கொஞ்சம் கேஷும் வச்சுக்கலாம், போதுமானது. நல்லா ஸ்ட்ராங்காக இருக்குது, நல்லா திக்காகவும் இருக்குது. உள்ளே பார்த்திங்கன்னா தெரியும். அந்த ஓட்டையெல்லாம் எதுக்குன்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, செவுத்தில் நம்ம ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். இந்த லாக் ரொம்ப ஹெல்த்தியாகவும் இருக்குது. உள் சைடு தான் பேட்ரி, அதனால் வந்து பிரச்சனை இல்லை. அப்போ இதில் வந்து இந்த கீ இதை திறக்கிறதுக்கே எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுத்துடுச்சு. காரணம் என்னென்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, அந்த கீ ஹோலே வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஹிடனாக தான் இருக்குது. இந்த இருக்கு பாருங்கள், இந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் இதை விட வச்சு லாக் பண்ணிட்டிங்கன்னா இது அவ்வளோவா தெரியாது வெளியில். பண்ணியாச்சுன்னா எதுவுமே கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாத அளவுக்கு தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ வந்து இதை நீங்கள் வாங்கி பயன்பெறுங்கள். ஸோ நைஸ்.